Hello friends, welcome once again to a step-by-step WordPress tutorial for beginners. In this part, we are continuing the process of customizing our WordPress website theme, and we are setting up the logo section. So in the actual theme or the demonstration of theme, when you will see this particular section just above the footer and just below the blog section, you will see these logos here. So you can set logos of your clients. So suppose you have done some projects and you have names or logos of your clients. So you can show those logos here in this particular section so that when your new clients will visit your website, they'll be able to see what type of projects you have done. Most of the companies show list of their clients, and they show list of their clients in as logos in the footer part. So to set up this in this particular theme agency light, you will go to appearance. Here you will go to customize. In customize, you will go to home section. So we have already set up these sections. Then we have to set up the logo section. Here you can see one logo is added here, but no image is selected here, so you have to select image. So I uploaded these four images, and I will use these images as logo. Important thing is all these images are of same size, 512 by 512. So you have to make sure when you are selecting logos of your client, at least either their x scale or their y scale should be same. So now first I will select the first image. I will select the second image. So you can mention name of your clients also. Let's say this is logo of ABC client. So this will help Google in understanding. Now you can see when I have selected only two logos, so logos are now repeating itself. We can select any number of logos here. So let's select the third, and similarly the fourth logo. So this is how we can select logos. We can later add more logos here of our clients. And now when you will reload our website, so it will look something like this. So now we have set up the header section with social icons and email and phone. Then we have set up the slider section. We have set up the about us section, FAQ section, features section, services section, our team section, counter section, and blog section. And now we have the logo section. So we have set up these. We can make these logos smaller also. I have selected 512 by 512. If you think these images are a bit bigger, so you can choose a smaller resolution images also. And now in the next part, we will set up the footer and menu. Before footer, we will create a menu because this particular section is looking plain here and we have to provide a menu here. So in the next part, we will set up menu.